Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. I hope you eat loads and you enjoy the sunshine. I hope everyone gives you a big hug and kiss. There's a big hug and kiss from me also. Mwah. I miss you so much. I wish we could have been in America again today, but maybe next year, you know? Maybe next year. Love you. Happy birthday again.
Inay, happy birthday!
That's my face.
Many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hello po, Mami! Kamusta po kayo? Happy, happy birthday po! Ang bait po talaga ng Diyos. Binigyan pa po kayo ng haba at lakas ng buhay. We love you, Mami! God bless! I love you po, Aguilar siblings! Yay!
Goodness, as if we are sick.
Hi, Tita Mating. We want to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday from Canada.
Happy birthday.
Love you. Miss you.
Where is he?
Begin.
Hello, Nay! Happy
Hello,
birthday!
Happy birthday, Mother! Kumusta ka na? Sana lumakas ka pa ng hanggang 100 years old para makuha natin yung ano mo sa Pilipinas.
Umabot ng 100.
Oo.
Bagit 100.
Happy birthday! Enjoy sa pagkain. Huwag kang magpapa-stress, okay? Ano pa? Mag-enjoy sa buhay. Punta ka lang sa casino, okay? Sige.
Yung mga bata, mag-enjoy ka dyan sa mga apo mong magaganda at
Oo.
pogi.
Okay. Bye!
Bye, Nay. Love
Enjoy!
you.
Love you!
Kaya, Kamangtang, happy birthday po sa inyo. Ilang taon na ba? 97 years old. Ang hiling ko po, ang dasal ko ay habaan pa ang buhay, makasama pa namin kayo ng matagal.
Yun.
Dito, para masaya tayo lagi. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your birthday today.
Happy birthday, Lola Mami. We love you heart. God bless you.
Hello, Mami! Happy 97th birthday! Wish ko po sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay. As in, mahaba pa. And, syempre, good health. And, wish ko din na sana magkasama-sama ulit tayo this year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy.
We love
Love you.
Happy birthday.
97 ka na, Mommy, dear. Pero ikaw pa rin ang boss sa aming sphere. Kahit tuhod mo minsan may reklamo na. Boses mo naman ay may pang megaphone pa. Ikaw ang wifi ng buong pamilya. Pag wala ka, lahat kami wala sa signal talaga. Sa dami ng sermon mo, may libre pang lecture with matching gesture. Pero sa dulo ay may yakap at lambing, kaya kahit pagalitan mo pa, ay okay lang sa amin. Kaya ngayon, Mami,
Sa 97, ang wish namin sa iyo ay good health, blessings at mahaba pang buhay. kasama ng mga nagmamahal sa iyo.
Basta huwag mong kalimutan na kami iyong pagalitan. Ha?
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Mommy!
Mommy!
We love you!